So today's workout, we are going to be doing a full body workout. We're going to be focusing on the upper body and the lower body, as well as incorporating our HIIT training. Okay, so I've got a strength on the upper body set, I've got a HIIT set, and a lower body strength set. I'll take you through all of those. What we're going to do is we're going to complete our HIIT set after every single set of strength work. Okay, so we're working on the HIIT cardio as well as our strength and our muscular endurance. And like I said, it is going to be full body. Okay, so guys, just grab your, if you guys don't have them handy yet, you guys can just grab your weights or your food cans or your bottles, whatever you guys are using. We are going to be using them today. So we're just going to start off with a nice warm-up. We'll start just doing some body hugs. So how our sets are going to work today, we've got 3 sets of exercises. In each set, there is 3 exercises. All right. And then in our HIIT cardio set, there is also 3 exercises. And we're going to do some forward arm swings. I'll be back right now. And nice big circles going forward. Try and get full range of motion in those shoulders. Brahm, just remember, I don't want you going above parallel. Yeah. And we're going to get smaller and smaller as we go. Smaller and smaller. And as we get to the small circles, going really, really quick. So I want to increase the pace. Good. And backwards. And we're going to get bigger and bigger until we add full range of motion again. Good. Keep going. And 3, 2, 1. We're going to reach up nice and tall. We're going to swing through the bottom of the legs. Up nice and tall. And swing through, keeping those legs nice and straight. Nice stretch in the hamstrings as well. Good, we're going to go for another 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And body rotations. While we do this exercise, guys, please remember to keep that core engaged. Squeeze those abs, pull the belly button towards the spine, and twist. So we're warming up our core as well as our spine in this movement. Couple more seconds like this. Remember, as you're feeling yourself getting looser and a little bit more flexible, you guys can increase your range of motion. So twisting further around. 3, 2, 1. And we're just going to kick the bum. Okay, you guys are going to carry on doing this while I explain the first set of exercises. The first set of exercises, we are going to be doing 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Okay? 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. You're going to start facing the one side. So you're going to lunge. You're going to turn forward and squat. Turn the other way, lunge, squat, turn. Okay? So lunge, squat, lunge. 40 seconds like that. Then we are going to just do some reverse lunges, alternating reverse lunges, stepping back, and up, back, and up. Okay, left side, right side. 40 seconds like that. Then we are going to grab our weights. We are going to go into a sumo squat position, so nice wide stance. We're going to go down to the bottom, holding our hands up. We're just going to pulse. Okay, we're just going to pulse for 20 seconds. We're going to take a 10-second break, and we're going to pulse for 20 more seconds. Okay, that is set number 1. I'm going to explain to you guys the cardio set, just so that you guys know what to expect. The cardio set is 20 seconds of 3 exercises, 1 minute on, we rest, and we're doing 2 sets. So our first exercise is squats and ankle taps. Okay, squats and ankle taps. Our second exercise is our jump shots. Okay, remember you don't have to do the jump squat shots, you can just squat down, raise the arms. And then we go into mountain climbers. Okay, those are 3 exercises. If you guys haven't forgotten them, don't stress. I will be doing some of them with you, and you will be getting breaks in between. Okay, everybody ready to start? We are going in 10 seconds. And we are starting with our lunge, squat, and lunge. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So 40 seconds, lunge, squat, lunge. Good, keep going like that. That's 20 seconds down, guys. 20 seconds to go. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. 20 seconds of rest. And now we are going to alternating reverse lunges. So you're going to step back and up. Okay, we're doing 40 seconds like this. We are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 40 seconds, let's go. Good, that's already 10 seconds down. Keep going. Halfway there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. 20 seconds of rest. Sorry guys, people are just asking me for the link to join. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go down and we're pulsing. And pulse. 10 more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. And rest. 10 seconds of rest. And then we're doing another 10-second pulse. In 3, 2, 1. And let's go down for 10 seconds. Holding those arms nice and straight out in front of you. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Right, guys, we are repeating that set again. Okay, we're repeating that set again. We are going to start off with our lunge, squat, and lunge. Ten seconds until we get going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So facing one way, squat, lunge, lunge. And we're going for 40 seconds, guys. We're already 15 seconds in. Keep going like that. Good. 10 more seconds. Awesome, guys. Everybody's form's looking really good. 3, 2, 1. Take a break. 20 seconds to rest, and we are doing our reverse lunges. So we step back and up, and up. Okay, in 10 seconds, we've got 40 seconds of lunges. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Remember to alternate, guys. We're doing 40 seconds of alternating. So on the left and the right, left and the right. So don't stay on one leg. That's 20 seconds down, 20 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good. 15 seconds left of rest. And we are getting ready to go with our sumo squat pulses. 10 seconds. Everybody ready? Grab those weights. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 20 seconds of pulses. Good. Make sure the stance is nice and open. Less than 10 seconds left. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Those legs are burning, shake them out. Get rid of that lactic acid. We're going for another 10-second pulse in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This is where we're testing the muscular endurance. Very important. 3, 2, 1, and rest. So, guys, you're going to get another 20 seconds of rest. Then what we are going to do is we're going to do our cardio set. So our cardio set is back-to-back, 20 seconds of each exercise. Exercise number 1, squats and ankle taps. Okay, squats with ankle taps. Then we go into our jump shots. Okay, and then down onto the floor, and we go with mountain climbers. All right, 20 seconds of each exercise. We're going for 1 minute, then we rest, and we repeat that circuit. Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 20 seconds of squats and ankle taps. So down and tap. Good. We're going 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going straight into our jump shots. Let's go. No rest. Good, guys. Keep it up. Keep going. We've got 10 seconds left like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight down onto the floor into mountain climbers. Nice quick pace, guys. Quick pace. Good. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Everybody up. 20-second rest, and we are going again. Okay, we are going again. Guys, I know there's very short rest intervals, but this isn't a very long session. We're going to be done in 10 minutes max, so I really want you guys to work hard. While we're working, I want you guys to put maximum effort in, work as hard as you can. Okay, we're not going for too long. In 3, 2, 1, let's go again. Squats and ankle taps. Good. Keep going like that. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into our jump shots. Let's go, guys. Good. 10 seconds left. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody down. Mountain climbers. Good. Remember, try and get as many reps in as possible. We've only got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Well done, guys. And now you guys get to take an extended break. Okay? Take a little bit of a longer break. Come. All right, guys. Now we are done with the hard part of the exercise. It's always tougher when we're training our lower body. So now we're going to move on to the upper body, which is a little bit easier. So we're going to have our weights in our hands. First set of exercises. You're going to have your hands in front of you. We're going to step to the side. We're going to open up nice and wide. Step and open. Step and open. Okay? Keeping those arms nice and straight. We're going for 40 seconds. Then we are going to have our arms out in front of us, and we're just going to do this. Okay? No step. We're just going to do this. 40 seconds. Then exercise number 3. Arms are still going to be up. You're just going to pull back and forth. Okay? When you pull back, I really want you guys to activate your back. So this part of the back, really squeeze it and out. Squeeze and out. Okay, so those 3 exercises.
Can you just show us the hand position again for the first exercise? I'm not sure if the hands are straight down or flat.
Hands are up. So palms face each other. Okay, so palms face each other for the first exercise. And then second exercise, palms face down. All right, and for the third exercise, palms are also facing down. Okay, so three movements that are very similar to each other, but they work in completely different muscle groups. Okay, we're going to do 2 sets of this, and then we're going to finish off with our set of cardio, and then we're done for this evening. All right, then we started our week off on a high note. Hope you guys have all had long enough rest. We are starting our first set in 3, 2, 1. So up and step and step. Good. Make sure that chest is nice and stretched, and then squeeze. Awesome, guys. Make sure you're keeping those arms nice and straight. I don't want you bending the arms. Arms stay nice and straight. Good, we're halfway there. Perfect, 10 more seconds. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. You guys only get a 10-second break here, so rest. You're only getting 10 seconds of rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up and out. In and out. Again, arms nice and straight. Good. That's 15 seconds down. You guys should really start to feel this activating the shoulder area. Okay. Less than 20 seconds left. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 10 seconds of rest. Remember the next exercise, guys? Pulling back. So I want you to bend those arms. 3, 2, 1. And let's go. Pulling those arms back. Squeeze the back and stretch. Squeeze and stretch. Good. Keep it a nice controlled movement. I don't want you to just be flapping your arms around. Nice controlled movement. Diana, relax your neck and just look forward. I can see the neck starting to spasm a little bit. Just relax your neck. Good, guys. We've got 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good. Well done, guys. Little bit of an extended break here. You guys are going to get just more than 20 seconds of rest. And we're repeating that set again. Okay. The shoulders are going to take a beating, but we're working the chest, the shoulders, and the back today. We'll focus on the arms later in the week. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Step and open. Good. This set is a great example of how just a little bit of wrist movement changes the exercise and works a completely different muscle. That's 20 seconds down. We've got 20 seconds to go. Awesome. Keep going, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds of rest. Okay, 10 seconds. We're getting ready to go with exercise number 2. Arms out in front of you, and you're just going in and out. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up. We're just going in and out. Good. For those of you that are starting to feel your neck, just make sure that you guys aren't doing this. Just relax the shoulders and then go up from there. Okay? Good. Make sure the shoulders are nice and relaxed. Perfect, guys. Keep going. Keep pushing with me. We're almost finished. We're going to do one more exercise, then we're finishing off with our cardio set. We're done. 3, 2, 1, and rest. You guys can move the neck side to side. Do not roll your neck in circles, okay? If you are going to roll your neck, go halfway forward and back, and you can go halfway backwards, but don't go a full motion, okay? 3, 2, 1, arms out in front of you, and we're just pulling with bent arms. Really squeeze the back, guys. Squeeze and stretch. Squeeze and stretch. Good. Keep going with me. We're almost done. I want you guys to go through till the end. No breaks. We've got 20 seconds left. Keep pushing. Let's go. We got less than 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can put those weights down. Shake out those arms. Okay, shoulders got a nice workout there. Guys, we are finishing off with our cardio set. All right. So just a refresher, we are going squat and ankle tap. Okay, 20 seconds of squats and ankle taps. We're going straight into our jump shots. Remember, guys, you don't have to do the jumping. You can just squat down, reach over your head. Squat down, reach over your head. Okay, exercise number 3. We're just going mountain climbers. We're going to do 2 sets. So 1 minute on, 20-second rest, 1 minute on, and we are done for this evening. All right. Everybody ready? We are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squats and tap. Good. Keep up a nice tempo. Remember, this is a HIIT cardio part, so keep up the pace. Good. 3, 2, 1, and jump shots. Ten seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and mountain climbers. 15 seconds left, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Remember, nice deep breaths in your rest period. We are going in 10 seconds. We're going with our second and final set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat and tap. Let's go. Remember to breathe while you're doing the exercises, guys. Good, keep going. Three, 2, 1, and jump shots. Good, keep pushing. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and mountain climbers to finish off. Everybody down, and let's go. Keep going, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Well done, guys.